Hi everyone, I am Santosh.
I am Banni.
I am Prem Kumar.
I am Sandeep. I am Naveen.
I am Tarun Kumar.
I am Harshavardhan. I am Maulik.
We are studying in 9th class at GTW Ashram High School in Kurpa, Vizianagaram district. We are sitting here to talk about our aspirations. Aspiration means a strong desire to achieve something great. An aspiration is a strong hope, dream or goal. Having an aim in life is helpful in many ways. We aspire to be or to become something that we perceive better than what we currently are. Setting aspiration helps us to improve our positive attitude and pushes us to go in the right direction.
I would be a police officer because he is a government servant. He is strong and a healthy man. I want to catch thieves and bad people. Our life and property are safe because of the policeman. I would like to control crime and keep peace and order. I would help in rescue operation. I would be in a critical situation. I help to keep the community safe. Thank you.
I want to become a pilot, as flying like a bird in the sky. It is my strong desire since my childhood. By becoming a pilot, I will fly in the sky most of the time. Besides flying, I also have a strong wish to see the world. I will fly different countries and get to see their beauty. I also do my job with most care and responsibility. So for all the above reasons, I wish to become a pilot.
Becoming a scientist is my ambition because there are many environment issues like global warming, unforeseen disasters, pollution and so on. I want to focus my mind on studying the root cause of such issues, find a solution and so on. In future, scientists are the people who do research to find out that everything. Studying science is very important because give knowledge of natural phenomena. Then the main aim of science is to encourage to curiosity in find out why things happen in way we do.
Every person has aims and ambitions is my life. My ambition is my life is to join the army. I would love myself to be an army officer. I know it is not very easy, but serving the nation and its people is my dream. I would like to protect the people of my country. I don't want name, power, fame and wealth. The army life is so full of adventure, discipline, toughness and risk. Thank you.
My aspiration is to become a fashion designer. My aspiration is to become a fashion designer. A career in fashion design can provide on excellent creativity of dress to people who like art, fashion and clothes. A will know fashion designer can provide on with a glamorous and interesting lifestyle. A fashion designer can also choose to have a more independent lifestyle by starting on fashion brands.
I want to become an engineer because I always dreamed of being part of the construction of huge buildings and structures. I also wanted to design the best constructions, like free from earthquakes. An engineer is a person who uses scientific knowledge to solve problems and structures. He is the backbone behind the various buildings and structures we see today.
When I grow up, I want to become a teacher because to become a teacher is make a difference in the lives of as many students as I can. Teaching has a very clear path to progress in my career. I want to educate many people in my tribal years. To inspire the next generation and to be the lifelong learner, I would like to become a teacher.
I would like to become an IAS officer because I have seen that the current education system in the country is facing a lot of problems. I want to work in the education field to improve the system with innovative ideas and sincere efforts. I too want to work in the want to prevent the corruption and enhance transparency at workplaces. Thank you.